So today is the day for building the booths for Tabo 2024. So we're here at the Quadrangle and we're building our booth. See ya! Hey guys, third na mo sa mga booth na mo dali sa Tabo. Ay 17 ka ba booth? Third na mo. Yeah. Muna first booth. Yeah, second booth. Third booth. Pixie corner. Skylicious guys. Only 10 boat guys. Only among boats guys. Fury. Yes, miraculous. Yeah, let's go. Yes. Nickelodeon. Hello guys, so mauro to tanan ng booth guys sa first to 17th booth guys. So basically dari guys sa front ra sa SCMin. So yeah, thank you guys. So sir, kumusta inyo ang booth sir sa Tabo?
Very good siya. Kaya bago na pagmig na harin dito ng mga product.
Then, since last day na ron, ano sa'yo mong maingon sa Tabo generally?
Okay lang.
Okay lang? Hindi siya ka ng stressful or
Okay, anaagi na ang stress pero in terms of feeling alin sa mga product is medyo nag-isog yung gamay kay first time ko mangguda mo.
Lagi po objectively. Pero, karon nag-gain na mo. Gain na inyong.
Nag-gain namin. Wala namin.
Mayo. Eh, maura ganito ko. Salamat kayo sa pagpa-interview na mo. So sir,
tell me your name and the name of your booth, sir. So,
My name is Chase, and the booth that we're managing is called Vioren.
then, nakoy question, sir ba? How do you overcome challenges in your businesses?
For me, I think it just takes a lot of time with cooperation, as well as a lot of time planning and managing as well. So whenever we face a problem that we can't face alone, we try to cooperate with the team, as well as manage our time properly. I think that should be all. Yeah.
Okay. Then, unsay mong maingon po, sir, since last day na ron, unsay mong maingon?
Kapoy, Jud, kayo ang tabo. Grabe, it's fun, a lot of experiences, a lot of overwhelming emotions, but overall, it's a very experiential experience.
So, mora nito, no? Thank you kayo, no?
Thank you.
So guys, this is it. We will end this journey together in the 30th Tabo Fest. Thank you everyone.